Hey, welcome back to the garden, everybody. Today is a beautiful day because it's gonna rain later. Special day. I'd like to give a birthday shout out to my good friend Olivia Eskew and my best friend Han Cheng Chen. Happy birthday to both of you. Look, tomatoes. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, today got a lot on the docket. Going to thin some carrots that are, just starting to sprout. You can't tell what that is. Also going to thin the beets. And after that, we're going to plant some potatoes. And after that, we're going to mulch some beds. And after that, we're going to set up some bamboo trellis stuff for the beans and other things, cucumbers, zucchini, to climb up. And then I'm going to, I don't know, jump in the lake. And then I'm going to probably get rained on. And then I'm gonna drive back. And then I'm probably gonna just like watch Suits, because I don't know, my mom told me to. It's fine. Yesterday I pruned this this stump that has branches growing off of it because it was blocking some sunlight, and so that's what I did yesterday. Some of what I did yesterday. So I can fashion some swords out of those, and if anyone wants to come down and fight me, just send me a message. Check this bad boy out. Whoa! Tomatillos. They're pretty big. And then you have these ground cherries. Not very big. But I think that's the point. That's why they're called ground cherries, because they're on the ground. Right? Checks out. More tomatoes. Boring. I mean, they're like my biggest fruit, so these are kind of like the pandas of my garden. It's like, okay, they're charismatic, they look good. What do? Nothing. Well, actually, they grow these giant tomatoes, but okay, so maybe they're not like the pandas of the garden, but they're definitely, I don't know, they get the most attention because they're the biggest thing and most visible thing, but like, do they deserve it? Maybe. I mean, what can you do with tomatoes? I'm like allergic to, no, not allergic, but like I have food sensitivities to tomatoes, among other things. So I don't think they should really get all that attention. But then again, a lot of my favorite heavy carb Italian dishes involve a lot of tomatoes, so I guess I gotta give them a shout out for that, right? Unfortunately, the parsley doesn't seem to be growing, and the sunflowers don't seem to be growing, and the acorn squash sucks, and the potatoes haven't come up yet. And I mean, that's really all I have to complain about. But I should probably just get over it, because nature is beautiful. So we have something in common. Anyway, check these out. Look, it's a row of carrots. And then another row. And then another row. Anyway, the carrot bed is very polluted with other small weeds, and that's just because I didn't know what carrots looked like at first, because they were like so small and there were like so many other small things. So I haven't really weeded that bed, but trust me, my standard is much higher than this. So maybe we'll get onto that when I'm like thinning the carrots. Oh, I found a dead mouse. Gonna go check if it's still there. I found a fish carcass out in the field today, out there where I planted some pumpkins. There's just like a fish skin, so that was cool. So I'm planting potatoes. But anyway, I just wanted to real quick show you guys on this beautiful June day what I get when I show up every day. Let's see if I can find it. Oh my god, so many flies. It's here. Anyway, it's a dead mouse. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Pretty gross. So, happy birthday, Liv and John. It started raining. So I have to wait for it to stop raining because I don't want to get rained on. Does this work? Go. Well, folks, it's really coming down now. I got stuck in that a bit. That kind of sucks. I only got 60 potatoes planted, although almost got 120 planted, but not quite. So this sucks. Hope it's over quickly. Am I right? So I'll take my headphones out. I'm not actually listening to anything. This sucks. Just trying to plant, you know? And then rain comes. Rains in my garden. I mean, like, I don't need more water. Stupid rain. Sun's out.